Salix pentandra, not often viewed in the northern Podillia region, is famous for the late blooming and fruiting. Here it is already autumn and we see the fruiting even without leaves on the branches. Carex palliescens, rare Carex species in the northern Podillia. It was seen in Verkhobush Reserve. Lupinus polypheus, usually violet, but here it is white form. It was cultivated species, but now it is common in the wild, mid of slopes, river valleys, far away from the cities. Hygrochibe chlorophana, small mushroom, yellow color and difficult for verification without microscopy. Viscaria vulgaris, here it is white, rare form. Usually it is pink and rose. Famous sticky plant in the pine forests and meadows. Very large blooming and large size plant.